Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve 19. Now as you can see here, I am on DaVinci Resolve 19 and I have a video clip here on my timeline. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a few cuts to this video, so I'm going to press Ctrl B here, press Ctrl B here to make a few cuts there, right? Might put another one here as well. So there are two ways to go about doing this. You can simply go ahead and click simple find wherever you want to add the transition. So for example, the first one here, I'm going to click in the center here between the two split, then click on timeline from the options or the menu options at the top here and simple click add transition. And as you can see, it adds the transition over the video clips there. Now, the next thing is to go ahead and click the inspector option on the upper right hand side. So as you can see, when I have it not checked, it shows the video preview. But once I click on it, it shows the inspector section. So you want to have this option available, but you realize here that transition is not highlighted. The reason for this is that you want to ensure that you click the transition on the timeline to get that option here. So once you click on it, it appears. Once you click away, it does not appear there anymore and only shows something else. So you want to ensure that you click on the transition, and so you'll be able to have the transition option available to you. Now from here you can choose whichever transition type you want, so I'm going to go through it and see what's there. So they have quite a lot you can choose from. So let's say I would like to choose, for example, the barn door. For example, you can play around with the duration, how long you want. So you can change this manually yourself, or you can go ahead and you can click towards the end of each transition and make it as long. Just drag it the sides as long or as short as you want. So you can do it like that. And of course you can change the color as well. You can choose the feather or whatever. This option allows you to make it like smooth, so that you can also add in a feathered style, so you can choose that, and you have quite a lot more options here that you can play around with, motion blur and so forth. But once you choose that, you can simply go ahead and play it and you will see the transition from your video that's added to your video. So let's have a look at what I've just done. In this video I'm going to show you how to add overlay in DaVinci Resolve for. So there you have it. And the next way how to add transition is by simply clicking the effects from the top. So if you don't have effects selected on the upper left, just simply click on effects. And if you look towards the left hand side, you have video transition. So you can click on that. And just in case you don't see this option, it is under the toolbox. So in case you have it, let's say not collapsed, you want to expand the toolbox, click on the video transitions, and you have a ton of different options that you can choose from. The good thing about this is that you can always go ahead and preview these transitions and you will see which one you like. But you can go through them, find something that you like, and you can just simply drag that onto your timeline. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply drag one onto my timeline, just drag it over the split where I want to add it, and as you can see, it is added there. So let's preview this one as an example, or for image. So there's another one that I just added, and let's let's add, for example, the glow to this section here, and I'll make this one a bit longer by dragging it so that you can see it more. Let's have a look at this one. I'm going to simply add a video clip. So as you can see here, and that's it, guys. So you have a lot of different transitions that you can play around with and you can choose from. So you need to either go to the effects under the toolbox, video transition, or you can find the area in the video that you want to add it. Simply click on timeline, then video transitions. These ones, you can choose whichever option you want to use to add those transition and basically add transition the way you want. But that's it, guys. That's how you add transition to your video clips in DaVinci Resolve 19.